Good morning from Sanya. What you see here is actually the ocean, and I'm now in my hotel room in Sanya. I arrived yesterday evening very late, at about 11:30, and at around 12 o'clock I arrived here at the hotel. And I had some troubles getting in, as there are some guards at the front of this resort, and they don't let anybody in at night who's not living here. And the problem is I didn't check in because I just arrived, so they didn't want to let me in. But I'm lucky that the first time I really needed my printed booking confirmation, and I had one in Chinese and showed it to him, and then he let me and the taxi driver come to the hotel, so everything worked fine. But luckily I had my printed booking confirmation in Chinese language, otherwise I couldn't be here now. So the plan for today is I just want to walk around the city and do some filming of some beautiful sights, and that's what I will show you today. And I will not do much more here in Sanya. I just want to find some beautiful places and take some pictures, do some videos and relax for some time, and then continue to Kunming. As you might see, this is not the city center. I'm actually at the sea, and it's not just any place. It's the now I forgot the name. The Nanshan Tourism Zone. And the special about this, they have this big Buddha standing there in the sea. Now I will have a look around here and show you some videos and pictures from this place, and then I think in the afternoon I will go back to the hotel, and that's the plan for today. So enjoy the beautiful scenery. Hello and welcome to the room tour. I didn't do the room tour yesterday because it was already too late. It was 12 o'clock at night, but we will do it now. And I'm wearing my stupid hat, and I'm a little bit red in my face because I have been outside the whole day. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and yes, I'm not sure if you can see it. My arm is also very red, but I've already did something about it. I went to the pharmacy and got something for my sunburn, for the stupid who don't put sun cream on the arms in the morning. But that's another topic. Let's start the room tour. Okay, in the whole room I have these buttons where I can turn on and off the lights and different lights of the room. I also have an air conditioning, and then I have something like this, which looks like a small kitchen, but I don't have anything else except this water heater, so I don't know why I need so many empty cupboards. Well, where I should put things, I don't know. Okay, then let's go to the bathroom. Yeah, everything, soap, towels, and all things you need, like a comb, toothbrush, everything complimentary. Then the mirror over here, that's me. Then here, the funny shaped toilet. And also, like in Shenzhen, a telephone next to the toilet, very important. If you have an emergency sitting on the toilet, you can call somebody. Then there's the next room. This is the shower. And there's something special about the shower. You see there are 4 different buttons. So 2 are to turn on the shower and 2 are to control the temperature, and 1 is this hand brush you can use over there, and the other one is up here, and you have something like a rainforest shower. It's very funny. Then I have some towels over here, then the big flat screen TV over there, and my big double bed over there. Also with a telephone next to the bed. There, a small sofa to sit on. And now we come to the biggest part. The view. So the view is pretty amazing. So the water you see actually there is already the sea. And when you look on the other side, oh, there's the sea too. So very good view. So when we go down here, you see there's the pool. Also very beautiful. And now the best part of my room, I have my own ocean view tub. So I can lie in this tub and see the ocean actually. That's pretty amazing. And I also have something like this, like an outside couch, also very, very nice. But the pool looks very nice. I think I will go there later. Okay, that's basically it. I have now to close the doors, otherwise mosquitoes will come inside. Okay. No. This one. Not totally closed. No. That's not so easy. Okay, now it's closed. Whew. Yeah, that's my room. I think it's quite good. It has the best view I've ever had in a hotel room.
In the evening, I have been to the city center for dinner, and later on, like all the other people, I went to the beach. As the temperatures dropped, it was very, very nice, not as hot as during the day, and to go to the beach, see the ocean and see all the lights on the buildings was very, very nice. There were also some people playing guitar, and it was a really nice atmosphere. So that's the episode for today. Tomorrow in the next episode I will show you how Dadonghai looks like. This is place for going swimming, surfing, and do all kinds of water sports. Until then, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like or a comment. And I hope I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye.